The problem for today are the wall shocks bushings. I replaced them about an year ago. They're about 10,000 kilometers or 6,000 miles, and they're completely worn out. You can see that they are even hitting the top of the shock absorber. This is the right side, and I'll show you the left side bushing. It's in the same condition. And for this reason I'm going to use a polyurethane bushing. I ordered these polyurethane bushings from Strong Flex company. Here are the bushings. They came with Strong Flex grease. These are the harder bushings. The inner sleeves of these bushings and the sticker. I'll try to use these bushings with OEM style internal sleeve, because it has some kind of wall friction material that prevents the bushings from wearing out quicker. But I'll see, because these are 1 mils bigger than this type of sleeves. What I did, I removed the AirMatic connection here. I relieved the air from rear air springs. Now I'm going to remove this bolt, push the shock absorber upward, and we'll use this space here to put the new bushings without removing the shock absorber completely. So I removed this AirMatic line and removed the air from rear air springs. Now the bolts of the shock absorbers are removed. You can see the difference in the bushings position. It looks like it's completely worn out. And now I'll reconnect this line here, and we'll pump the air springs with the diagnostic tool, and to see is it possible to remove the bushings in this tight space here. Now the Strong Flex bushings are installed. They fit perfectly. Left side, right side. I have to disconnect the splitter, release the air because it's much easier and faster, and to install the shock absorbers to the lower suspension arm in this space here. The bushings and the shocks installed to the control arm, right side, left side. I have to install these mudguards to the control arms, and I'm ready to go.